everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Oh my god, I have no earrings in. This will not do. Those are going in. These are just some nice little... I think I've wore these on my channel before. In fact, I'm pretty much 100% sure that I have. Oh my god, I am tired today. It is the 21st of December today. So we are just 4 days away from Christmas. Can you believe it? I am having quite a nice... well, I was going to say a nice chilled day. Today has been anything but chilled so far. I have been so busy. I have just been sorting out loads of house bits. So we just accumulated so much washing that needed doing, so much cleaning that needed to be done, bits of hoovering. Obviously I've been playing with Eric, sorting Elvis out. I've just done my makeup, got ready in about 5 minutes. I don't even know how I managed it this morning. Mark has gone out this morning, bless his soul. He has braved Aldi this morning. I mean, what a guy, because we needed everything. I basically was too late booking my Christmas shop with Tesco. So our last big shop was last Monday or Tuesday, I can't remember. And then obviously there was nothing. So we've basically down to the bare bones of the fridge. I think we've got literally a bag of kale, a bag of spinach and a broccoli, which is actually fine for me because I eat so much of that stuff, but Mark's like, where's the meat? So today he's gone off getting all that stuff and just a few other little Christmassy bits from Aldi. I had something to pick up from Argos because one of my niece's presents didn't arrive in time, so I had to arrange something last minute with Argos. It's definitely not going to arrive now, the other thing, so I've just cancelled it. That was ready to be picked up, and then we had a few bits from Dunelm that we needed to pick up as well, so fortunately they're all kind of close together, and I'm really hoping that Mark's remembered that I really want Costa to bring him back, but I don't want to ring him and mother him for a coffee because I just think that's a little bit diva-ish after he's been out this morning and all this stuff. Maybe I will ring him shortly just to see, but we'll decide. But anyway, yeah, for me this is just a nice morning at home. Yes, I am busy, but it's fine. I like to be busy in the house and getting on with things. I can chill out this evening or whatever. So the time is 9:41. I am super on it today. I really want to kind of get done just before Christmas, a few little videos that I've been keep writing in the notes in my phone, like I want to do this one, I want to do this one, I want to do this one. And this one is one I've been meaning to do for about 2 weeks because I've had this stuff for 2 weeks. So today I am going to do an unboxing and unwrapping with Katie Loxton. So Katie Loxton is a really nice British brand, and I ordered myself a couple of little bits as a treat a few weeks ago. So I've got those that I want to unbox and show you all, and then also one of my friends that I got in our little friendship group, Secret Santa, I've got her stuff as well that I've not even opened the box yet because I wanted to do it on camera. So I'm going to do that today, and you can see how gorgeous this stuff is. What I love about Katie Loxton is the stuff is all really affordable. It's almost like affordable luxury, if you like. So if you really like nice little pieces of jewellery, they have Joma jewellery, which is part of the Katie Loxton brand. Really nice delicate little bits of gorgeous jewellery, beautiful jewellery boxes, stunning accessories, sunglasses, scarves, purses, bags. I actually had one of the clutch bags on my wedding day, which was really nice. And it looked great with my dress. I mean, most of the time I did keep it on the table because obviously you kind of put your things down, but it was such a lovely accessory. I just love this brand. I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm not promoting it for cash or anything like that. I just literally wanted to share the brand with you because I really love it. And I think for gifting and things like that, it's just such a beautiful brand, and the attention to detail is just stunning. I really did want to do this sort of like a few weeks ago so you all had a chance to buy things for Christmas, but there will be a really good sale, I've no doubt, on the website after Christmas, so maybe look to check that out instead. I definitely will be. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I'm going to show you what I treated myself to a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so to start with, I would just like to comment on the stunning packaging of this. So I said that this was a gift, and I did that just so I could really show you all what the gift bags and everything are like, because they are so gorgeous. So I've got this, it's got my name on it, it says Merry Christmas Grace. You could personalise this actually. You could have, you know, if you wanted to say like have a gorgeous Christmas or have a beautiful Christmas, have the best Christmas ever, you could do that, and then obviously just put a name on there as well. This is my little goodie bag. So I'm just going to untie it. As you can see, it's really stunningly packaged. It's got this lovely little grey ribbon on it, and I'm just going to delve inside. Oh, and it says, it's got a lovely little postcard. It says, "Hello, lovely" on it. How sweet. And it comes with all this lovely tissue paper, which obviously has the Katie Loxton branding on it, which is really nice as well. This, guys, is my stunning new Hello Lovely jewellery box from Katie Loxton. So it's absolutely stunning. It says Hello Lovely on it. It's got this stunning Katie Loxton branding right here, which is just so classy and beautiful. And I'm gonna look inside the jewellery box now. So let's have a quick look. They're just gorgeous. So it says Katie Loxton again at the top. It's got this beautiful ribbon that holds it open, and then you've got all these different little sections. So you can pop all your jewellery inside here. It's a lovely sort of like velvety, suede sort of fabric inside, and it is just so gorgeous and so luxurious. I'm so happy with it. It's going to go on our new desk / dressing table when that arrives tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really excited to just have this on display because it's just so beautiful, and it's such a lovely home accessory as well as being something really functional. A great storage for all your jewellery if you've got lots of earrings, necklaces, bracelets. It's just a great way to store them safely and not have them lying around. Because I do think that jewellery boxes are one of those things that people don't seem to buy or invest in as much anymore, and they're such a handy thing to have, and why not have a really beautiful one like this? I knew I wanted a gorgeous jewellery box, and the first brand that I thought of was Katie Loxton. And you know what? They haven't let me down. I'm obsessed. I think it's stunning. And yeah, that was a lovely little pre-Christmas treat to myself. So today I am actually going to put all my bits and bobs in there. The second little treat that I bought myself is in this little bag. And it was all wrapped up exactly the same, but I've taken the packaging off that one. But you can see it's in a gorgeous miniature Katie Loxton bag. Open up the little ribbon, and I have got this stunning little coin purse for myself. I just really wanted something silver. I just thought it would go sort of with every bag. Like, silver is a really nice colour to just put with other things. I think metallics are really Christmassy as well. So yeah, I treated myself to this, which is just stunning. I love it. So before, my camera ran out of battery completely and Eric woke up from his nap, so I'm back now. Mark is back from his voyage to Aldi, Argos and Dunelm. Everything was a success. Busy, but a success. He also brought me back a Costa. It's a gingerbread ice latte, which is okay. Not my favourite, but it's not bad. But anyway, I'm just going to carry on, pick up where I left off earlier and show you all my Secret Santa gift from Katie Loxton that I bought for my friend, so hopefully she doesn't watch this. So the prezzies are in this box and I am going to unbox it now. Yes, so I am in the box. I am in the package, so it's got the lovely Katie Loxton paper again. I'm just going to open this up. Oh my god, it looks so good. So my friendship group, there's 4 of us, and I got Faye in my Secret Santa, so it says have a gorgeous Christmas, Faye. I'm just going to carefully open this because obviously this has been packaged up for Faye and I don't want it to look like I've just, you know, opened it for her. Oh, that's so cute. So I did a little, the just for you is here, and then on the other side it says, Faye, thanks for being such a fabulous friend, love you loads, Grace. So that's the little message that I got for Faye. Let's open the bow. So this is the first thing that I bought. I can't even really, you know when you order something and you're thinking it's been that long now. So I ordered, as you can see as well, it's in its lovely little Katie Loxton paper. So a bit like my coin purse before, but not quite the same. It's got like a lovely leafy print on it. It's gold and it's like a dusky pink. It's got the card detailing at the back, so you can slot your cards in there. And it's just so nicely packaged, and I just thought Faye would really love that sort of print. I just thought it was really cute and pretty, and I'm really, really happy with it. But yeah, this is the little purse that I bought her, and it's just so pretty. I think it's so nice. I'm really, really happy with that, so I'm just gonna wrap that back up because it was wrapped really nicely. The second thing that I got is also in here. Again, it's in the lovely packaging, which is really cute. It says with love Katie Loxton all over it. going to open this up. Oh, how lovely. It's a mug and it comes in a gorgeous box and it says amazing friend on it. And I am just going to open it up just to have a look. I really don't want to damage anything. Just attention to detail with packaging, I think, makes such a difference. Oh, it's so nice. She's going to love that. It says amazing friend. It's a proper beautiful porcelain mug and it's got all the lovely little foil gold detailing on it. It says Katie Loxton at the bottom, so it's got the brand in and it just says amazing friend and it's just a beautiful, gorgeous mug. I think she will love that. Everyone loves having a nice mug to drink their tea and coffee out of, don't they? So I think she will really, really like that. I'm just going to pop that back really carefully. Like I say, the packaging is so nice and I just don't want to damage it. This is so nice. It says on the back, perfectly packaged. This special mug has gorgeous golden details to brighten every day. God, I cannot get this back in for the life of me. It's back in its little box, ready to be opened. Because of everything that's going on with like the lockdown and everything else, we've kind of just accepted that we're not going to do our Secret Santa until after Christmas now. But that's fine. We can all have a little treat after Christmas. I just got the dreaded message from my camera saying the card was full, so I just had to go back and get rid of a bunch of stuff that I'd left on there that I didn't need. What I was saying, or about to say, because I'm not sure if the camera actually recorded it or not, was just that I think when companies do nice gift wrapping options, I just think it makes such a difference, because not only does it save you a job, but they just do a good job of it. Like this in particular, I just think, I mean, yeah, there's nothing I need to do to that. That is a beautiful gift. I absolutely don't need to teeter with this at all. It's beautifully packaged. So it saves you a job, but it also just looks super bougie, if you like, and just extra fancy. I just think it's like that, again, that little bit of luxury. And you know what's amazing about the Katie Loxton gift wrapping? I know that some... Oh, can't forget to put that back in. I know that some companies charge a little bit extra to gift wrap and whatever else, but actually Katie Loxton doesn't charge anything to do the gift wrapping. So that is just completely complimentary. No charge for the gift bag, no charge for the little gift note inside, and no charge for any of the tissue paper, the beautiful bow. It's all just part of the packaging, which I just think is such a lovely touch and just makes a massive difference to your shopping experience. Yeah, that is just another reason why I love this brand, because it's just so lovely and the attention to detail is just spot on. But yeah, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please do check out the Katie Loxton website, because I highly recommend the website, the shopping experience and all the products on there. I will be back with more very soon.